Understanding Pond Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, pond installation. This term is commonly used in landscaping and gardening contexts, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to create specific meanings. Let's dive in. Pond installation is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that work together to create a single idea. A pond is a small body of water, usually smaller than a lake, and can be natural or man-made. Installation refers to the process of setting something up or installing it. So, pond installation is the process of creating or setting up a pond. To understand how pond installation is used in English, let's look at some example sentences. 1. We hired a company for the pond installation in our backyard. 2. Pond installation can be a complex process, involving landscaping and plumbing. 3. After the pond installation, the garden looked more beautiful than ever. In these sentences, pond installation is used as a noun, referring to the specific action or project of installing a pond. Let's expand your vocabulary with related terms. Landscaping, the process of making a garden or other piece of land more attractive by altering the existing design. Aquatic, related to water, often used to describe plants or animals that live in water. Ecosystem, a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. In different cultures, ponds can have various meanings. In English-speaking countries, having a pond in a garden can be seen as a decorative and calming feature. It's also common in stories and literature to use ponds as settings for peaceful or reflective scenes. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of pond installation for you. Remember, understanding phrases like this is a great way to improve your English comprehension and speaking skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.